everybody and welcome to a new moving vlog. I say moving vlog, it feels a bit weird saying moving vlog because I've actually now been in this house for 10 days, which has gone so fast. And also, obviously, the world is a bit crazy right now. I didn't really get to do the first massive supermarket shop for my house because supermarket's a bit crazy right now, so I've just had to like pick bits and bobs up from here and there. Anyway, I thought I would do one online because supermarkets make me anxious anyway, and I just know the state that it's going to be, like it's not going to be good. I'd rather just pay for the delivery. But literally I got an email this morning from Asda like 7 items were not available and we've made 6 substitutions, which is fine, like I get it. They didn't have toilet roll in stock. They did pretty well, to be honest. Like there weren't too many like bad substitutions. I have stocked up on some, just like I know I don't want to be one of these people, but thought I would just get a few soups and some of my favourite chicken noodles. It's just an excuse to buy stuff that I don't usually really eat. But I've still got all my fresh stuff. Actually, this stuff won't go out of stock because obviously it's fresh. Broccoli, and then I just got some pizzas as well. Some salmon, prawns, and then some stuff for the freezer as well. And some coconut water. So this morning I'm just going to organise all of this stuff. I'm going to take Lola for a WALK, and then I've got to go out and do some bits, which I can't tell you what I'm actually doing or where I'm going today, but it's very exciting. You will find out soon. But yeah, also this area is so clear. I cleared this all out, so this is beautiful this morning. I've just got the door open, letting all the air in to this space, so I've got to figure out. I've been looking at loads of dining tables online and I just can't find the right one yet. Fridge is officially jam-packed full, mainly with veggies, which I know obviously are not long life, but this is what's going to keep you healthy. And then my freezer is so full as well. I've got loads of lemons as well, so I can have lemon and honey, because I bought some honey. I've got loads of honey in here. And now I need to make breakfast because it's so late, it's like 10 o'clock, and I need to eat and get on with my day. I just went into Tesco's to get some petrol and thought I would just check the shelves. Really need some paracetamol or something for my headache, but there's literally no pain relief. However, there was literally like, I think 3 of these on the shelf, and I almost feel selfish for picking them up. Honestly, it feels like these things are harder than gold dust to come by. Nothing to really report today, guys, except my builder came over to have a first look at my house. I wasn't really sure with this whole everything that's been going on if he'd still even be working, but he is, so that's good. I had a hospital appointment. I found some paracetamol finally in a tiny little corner shop, but house-wise nothing's happened aside from I took the bins out for the first time, which is an interesting experience because I literally had to drag it through the whole garden because you have to take it out the back alley. Anyway, the damp expert is coming tomorrow, so I'm really excited for that. So hopefully he can get started on all the necessary damp work, and then I can get started on the decorating. I did actually ask my builder today about this ceiling, because I don't know why they've, I don't know, can you see it? I don't know why they've Artexed this ceiling and none of the other ones. Really weird. Anyway, I've got a face mask on. I need to wash it off. I've just been working at my desk pretty much all afternoon. Tomorrow, after the damp man has gone, I am quarantining myself in bed because I keep saying, oh, I need to rest, and then I just keep working, because for me nothing's really changed apart from, you know, supermarkets, etc. Like, I'm still going about my normal working day because I work from home. So wow. You know what, I haven't even looked in the mirror. Didn't realise my hair was in this state. Anyway, good morning guys. I was supposed to have an appointment today, but I cancelled it because it's not necessary. I just thought I'd show you my breakfast at the moment because this is what I've been absolutely loving. I may do like a what I eat in a day video. I can't get over my hair. I'm gonna have to switch it off me. This porridge doesn't look like much here in the bowl, but it tastes so flipping good. It's cacao. It just tastes like chocolate, like Nutella porridge. And then I add seeds, blueberries and almond butter into it, and oh my god, if you could taste this, it's so good. I'm gonna go eat this. I've already taken Lola out for a walk today. I've bathed her. She's so not happy with me. Look at her. I've moved her bed into here so she can be with me when I work, but she absolutely flipping hates the bath. Her toy was just drying because I put it in the wash. Still doesn't look that clean, does it? Shall we give you sheepy? Does it not smell like sheepy anymore? Oh no. Oh no. Anyway, I'm gonna go have breakfast, so she'll probably follow me because at the moment she is like my shadow. Oh look, she's like, what's happened to my sheep? Does he smell clean? It's funny because being in quarantine actually isn't any different to me. I work from home, I live alone, like I'm so used to, my hair, we'll sort my hair out in a bit. I'm so used to it. My daily life is basically quarantine, and also like sometimes my social life is zero and I don't want to see anyone. So I'm basically just doing what I was going to be doing anyway, aside from like people coming over to visit my new house. But I was going to allocate a load of time to sort my house out anyway, so this gives me the perfect opportunity. We are gonna have fun in quarantine. I can keep you company in quarantine. I wish I could have all of you guys over here to help me sort through things. I'm gonna play some music. I've got my comfy clothes on. Yeah, and Lola's here, of course she is, because whenever I have food, she is not far behind. So I've just been measuring out on the floor what my two favourite dining tables on Wayfair will look like. But essentially one is longer and thinner, and then one is wider. But the longer, thinner one has like thick black legs. So when you look at it, that's what it's gonna look like. Whereas this one here has all the legs in the middle. So, it's such a tough decision. I just want to get one ordered, and I really want to paint this wall at some point, but I've got to wait for the damp work. Hello everybody, it is Friday. Can't say I have that Friday feeling. It's that weird thing where you don't really know what day it is. Anyway, this morning I got up, I've walked Lola, I just done the washing up, as you saw. I did some yoga this morning as well, which is really good. I'm really trying to practice like a self-care isolation routine and just making lunch. I felt too lazy to actually make my normal Cajun prawn salad lunch today, so I decided to go for pizza because it's Friday. So my plan for today is I've got a bit of work to do, and then I am going to sort the house this evening, which I'm really excited about. One of my main jobs today is to get my robotic hoover working. So I sent this bad boy by Bigot, and it's essentially one of those hoovers that like goes around and cleans your house. And the state of my flipping hallway right now with Lola's fluff is just not okay, so I need to hoover like in here. Look at that massive ball of fluff. So I'm gonna try and set that up. It may take me a while, but I'm so excited to have one of these in my house, like going around cleaning all the carpets. So I'll let you know how I get on with that, but first, pizza. Morning everybody, the sun is shining, the tank is clean. The tank is clean. The house is not clean. I am not clean. I need to have a shower. I'm gonna top up my hair today. It's Saturday, so it's the weekend. Got so many plans to go out with my friends tonight. Lol joke. Actually, do you know what? I was thinking it's quite a positive thing, this whole like having to be in self-isolation, because a lot of the time I would feel guilty that I didn't have plans on the weekend and that I was just staying in and like doing work or house bits or literally just watching Netflix. And now I know that everyone isn't out having fun, and I'm not scrolling through social media thinking, oh, I wish I was there with them. The pressure has been taken off, so there's always a silver lining. I wish I could have filmed the morning that I've just had. I was just dancing around the kitchen. I had this door open. Lola was coming in and out, and I just felt really, really content. I'm in a good mood today, in case you hadn't noticed. I'm here to lift everyone's spirits. My skin, however, is not in a good mood, but we'll just brush past that. So plan for today is to actually get some housework done and actually getting this Hoover working. That's what I want to do this morning. I think I'm going to set him up while I do my hair, and then I'm going to make a list of things that I want to do today, but also I need to remember that it's also okay to not do anything. You don't always have to be productive. Sometimes you can just be. Oh, also these table markings have literally been on my floor for like 2 days now, and I still haven't decided. In fact, actually, I've completely changed my mind about what I think I might do in here, and I think I might put a table to the side and have a bench seat along here, and then put cushions here so I can have the table to the side so there's more room to kind of move. Don't know if it's the right kind of room to have a table in the middle, so let me know what you think, because I was literally ready to buy, I was going to buy the shorter but slightly wider table, but then I didn't, because that's not going to work with a bench seat. So now I need to completely go back to the drawing board and see what is going to work. What on earth is that, Lola? I think it's some garden machine. Sounds like, I thought it was a child screaming at first. Anyway, yeah, I think I'm gonna put like a drinks thing here, and then I can put loads of nice like bits and bobs. Maybe like a lot of people have said I could put a mirror here to cover up the cat flap for now while I don't have a cat. But we will be getting a cat. I really do want to rescue a cat. Well, she's charging. I think this is one of my best looks yet. I'm gonna do this section of my hair pink, and then I'm gonna do my fringe peach, because I've had that done before at the hairdressers and it looked really cool. So we're gonna see how it ends up doing it myself at home. But I've got my little cape on. I've got my gloves on, which have hair dye on, because I've been mixing it with my fingers because I can't find my brush. This always looks like you could eat it. Look at my little unicorn heart. What do we reckon about that, Lola? Oh, oh. And she gets up onto my, well, oh, she did it a second ago. There we go. Up you get. Onto my rug. This is what needs cleaning the most. Let her loose on the hallway. I feel like she's definitely doing a better job in here, because my rug in the lounge is quite thick. So this is crazy. I've just been watching it because I don't want it to get caught on anything, but there's not really anything in the hall to get caught on. It's like a little creature. These blinds and windows clearly hadn't been cleaned for a while, because this is what's just come off them. I used the Mrs. Hinch hack with the tumble dryer sheets just going along. Done that, I've hoovered all in here. I've even stain removed my sofa, so those bits are just drying. I need to put some stuff under there. The lounge area is looking so clean. I'm so happy. I've wanted to hoover this floor for so long. The carpet is as clean as it can be. I think I'm gonna get this and all my carpets professionally cleaned after all the damp work and the plastering is done. I'm currently making dinner. Oh, let me show you my lovely hoovered hallway as well. I did go in with the actual manual hoover after I let the hoover go around. I still need to figure it out and figure how to use it properly, but it's not very strong. It kept getting like hair caught in it, so yeah, I've put her over here. We still need to find a name for her, but I'm making salmon and potatoes for dinner tonight, which is just pretty standard. Got some broccoli, and then let's show you my progress upstairs. I'm gonna carry on doing this after dinner as well. Hoovered all of this landing, etc. It's looking a little bit messy because I have been sorting stuff out, but I finally been able to get over into that corner there. I don't know if you remember, but there was like a massive pile of clothes there, so I'm just currently sorting things because I want my clothes to be more accessible. So I've put all my gym clothes in here, and then I'm going to open up all of the boxes and find where they all are, because I am currently living out of 2 suitcases even, which are this is the current state of them. It's actually pretty good that I don't actually leave the house at the moment. My hair as well has not turned out as vibrant as I wanted. I think I mixed it too light because I was too scared that it was gonna go like really orange and really pink, but the peach you can't see at all, so I'm gonna redo my peach. You're so lovely, you're so lovely. We're doing fringe take 2 today, so I thought I would just let this hair dye develop while I do some work. I've got some editing to do, some bits and bobs to film, which are coming to a screen near you very soon. And it's another beautiful day. Got my little office companion with me, and also at some point I'm going to change my nails because that's not focusing, but they're coming off, so I want to change them. Hello everybody, you will be pleased to know that my hair is now decidedly peach and pink. I think you can definitely tell the distinction. But anyway, I'm actually just hopping on here to end this vlog. It's now Monday, and I've got loads of other exciting videos that I'm just about to go and film for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this weekly vlog. I'm not really sure what I captured this week, if I'm honest. Please give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and comment. I really hope that you are enjoying watching my vlogs as a distraction or as an escape, and just to know that you're not alone in this. Love you all, and I'll see you soon. Goodbye.